Lewis, back with another video. If you guys missed the last video of me reviewing this 5.7 liter Hemi Dodge Challenger, definitely go check that out. It is an amazing car, and I'm super blessed to have awesome friends to let me drive their babies. But anyways, we got a little bit of a special video for you guys today. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and you love seeing content like this. Smash the like button because it definitely helps grow the channel. And leave me a comment down below if you guys are new, or if you've been here for a while, let me know also. I love reading your guys' comments. So right now, at the border of Mexico, you see the border's right there. We're gonna cross the border, and we are actually going head to head with a Mustang. Yes, it's a 3.7, but it is a super nice 3.7 in my opinion. I don't, understand why these cars get so much hate. You can make them super nice. On the left, like I just told you guys, 5.7 liter, 350 horsepower to the wheel, 375 to the crank. I believe it's like 400 torque. I might be wrong, correct me if I am. I'm not, a whiz when it comes to these American cars, but my buddy Yosander, he does have a aftermarket oil catch can. Basically, oil leaks in, so the catch can helps with that. That's what he told me. As far as mods though, that is all he has. It's I believe a 2017, and besides the catch can, it's stock. But here's just a walk around of his car. You guys have seen these things everywhere. Let me just give you a little shot of the interior really fast. All right, let's just take a peek in this V6 Mustang and see what he's working with. Pretty sick. It's got the red carbon Recaros. Pretty nice, honestly. So the owner of this car, I'm actually going to leave his name out. He's going to be anonymous. So as far as mods, I'm just going to leave that out. I'm not going to get too technical. This car is full bolt-ons and it does have a tune, but I'm gonna keep the mods low-key. That's fine. But if you guys care to follow him, do me a favor, go to his Instagram, follow him. He's a homie. I've known him for a while now, and he's a super rad guy, and definitely he has a car page and everything. He posts his Mustang. He's a car guy just like us all. So do me a favor, go to his Instagram, send him a follow, and tell him that Lewis or GenFlow sent you. Let me just give you guys another walk around of the car this way. I love the 13s and up because these taillights, I love these. These are like, I don't know, I just always love them. Like I couldn't get the 2012s, 2011s, 2010s with the candy canes. I love these ones, or the new gens. I'm honestly interested to see which car wins. We're not running the Lexus today, but the Mustang is a 6-speed, and the newer RT is a 8-speed auto. I'm pretty confident that the Mustang might get it at the jump with the torque, but maybe the 8-speed will pull away because it's auto. So without further ado, we're going to take these two awesome cars to Mexico past the border, and we are going to do some rolls. So yeah, let's get into it, guys.
You pull this shit like this? That shit fast.
Yeah. Do you want to hit a U-turn?
Alright. What do you want to hit it over there?
That right there is absolutely perfect.
Perfect. So, let's run it. Oh, we're going under the tunnel too.
Yes, sir.
a chance on the high end.
Yeah. He kept up.
Yeah.
I can't believe a V6 did this to an RT. I hope you guys enjoyed all the racing we did in Mexico. I just want to thank my buddy in the Mustang for coming out. Super awesome guy. His Instagram will be in the description if you guys want to give him a follow. And also my buddy Osander, another awesome guy as well. With all that said, guys, be sure, if you haven't already and you stayed this far into the video, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1K. Trying to make it there, boys. Trying to make something good happen. So just be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Go ahead and drop a like also on this video. It definitely helps the channel grow. And if you guys stayed for this long, just, you know, drop a comment too. It all motivates me, and it just makes me want to keep posting videos and keep making content for you guys. So with everything said, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and until then, peace.